In this video, we are going to add the north arrow for this viewports. Currently in my drawing, I have created the viewports as well as title block. So we are going to add the north arrow here. Before that, we will save as this drawing as add north arrow and save. So we will be adding the north arrow to here. So go to layout tools. There you have north arrow here. Click this drop down. You can select either one of the north arrows you like. Let us say we are going to use this arrow 6. So I click here. Then it is asking select a viewport for the north arrow. So you have to select the plan viewport. So I will click this viewport. Then it is asking the location of the north arrow. So we will click it somewhere here in the middle of this column. So somewhere here. So you will not see the north arrow yet because of the scale we have. So it is a very tiny small north arrow here. If you click here, so you have to increase the scale here. So we'll select the north arrow, go to properties and select the scale, go to properties and change this to 6000. Right, so we had this north arrow here. So now our most part of the plan production sheets are complete, except one thing, we have to add details here. We will see how to add details in the next video.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.